Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're kindly do to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new video like this. So not too much of your time, let's get right into the video of today. So guys, we have Brodashaggi, Oga Sabinus, Pocolee and many others who have been tripping into Kizz studio to vibe to his new jam Cough aka ODO, and trust me, these moments are really funny. I'm going to be playing the video clips for you guys. And tell me who killed it between Oga Sabinus, Kizz, Brodashaggi and the rest of them. And if you can notice in this video, Kizz is rocking a new hairstyle, which is really nice to see. I just can't wait for the official video for this Kizz Cough aka ODO. So guys, just enjoy the rest of the video clips. I'll see you guys towards the end.
Alright, go. Go. I want to flex my love. Alright, go. I want to flex my love. Go. I want to flex my love.
So guys, thanks for watching that video. I hope say una enjoy them. So tell me who killed it between Brodashaggi, Oga Sabinus, Pocolee and Kizz. Just leave them for the comment section. I'll do what to check it out. It's been your boy Michael Jameson, and I'll see you guys some other time. Peace out.